back out here, Uncle's Garage. You know the drill. Definitely could use some lubrication, belt tightening, all that kind of good stuff. All right, so yeah, pretty much your standard 2000s sensors, sending, receiving over here. I know, opposite, but you know, Craftsman as usual since 2012. Or no, 2013. And I'm hoping this is going to be one of the 3 videos on the channel that's going to actually get popular for literally no reason. And yeah, you see? And if I turn off the lights, which I can go to over here. Oh, also a neat thing. And I can show right here. I can also turn on the outer lights. The garage lights with the garage door opener. At least, that's what it's supposed to. But, you know. Oh well. But yeah, you can see the sensors do turn off. Yeah, not too much to say, except that we could always go for a force test. Yeah, standard belt drive up there. All right. Oh, it's not too bad. Yeah, it holds. It holds halfway. I'm assuming it would hold all the way, too. Try not to be too rough on the store. There we go. Now the light's turned on. Okay. Okay, yeah. I'm in a position to re-engage. Well, you know what? Let's get a shot with the door disengaged. Yeah, let's go re-engage it, and that'll be the end of the video. Oh, these 8-foot doors, I'm telling you, they're killing me. Yes, this is an 8-foot door with 4 2-foot section doors on 12-inch tracks. Not the smartest install from the original installer, but what can I say? I mean, I could do better, but yeah, it really is 8 feet tall. If you couldn't really tell. But yeah, those are 2-foot sections. At one point, whatever, like 7'5". So yeah, let's close it. Really should be this quiet. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Bye.